feeling, man?
Hey, man, this is hey.
How you feeling, man?
Hey, man, this is jumping. Hey, jumping, boy.
I'm talking about
All these colors.
gray, green, gray again, blue, yellow. Come on. Man, YouTube was on with you. As you can see, we outside right now, man. We in Cape Coral. We got all type of fast shit outside. We got Camaros, Chargers, Challengers, Hellcats, SS, man. We got V6s. So, you feel me? We got BMW, man. We don't discriminate. We just had a good time. You feel me? But it's gonna be a nice little vlog, a little car POV vlog. Stick around to the very end, because we are going to have a little bit of racing, but you know. Hey. Hey. Y'all see what we got outside, man? That shit pro charge in the motherfucker. That shit pro charge in the motherfucker.
Yes,
Yeah, that bitch pro charge in the motherfucker. Hey man, y'all see where we at though? We in Fort Myers right now. A&M detailing, y'all pop up. Nigga, we got ZL1s, Scott packs, motherfucker, I don't even know what the fuck that was. What, Black Wings over there.
You recording right now? Yo, all our E3 is a D1 hater. I invited him.
What the fuck?
And this nigga never came. And now he wanna come. And look what he got in his mouth. Look. No.
Let me tell y'all what that is right there. That's that motherfucker right there. That motherfucking, you feel me?
Hey, shut the fuck up.
So this nigga exhausted hanging on the floor.
I know.
Yo.
Earlier he was like, license plate.
He don't drop the bait.
$5, yeah. $5?
What's on, bro?
It's $5. That was $5 right there. That was $12. That was $5. It's $5. I recommend having him pay for it.
Oh no.
Huh? $5, nigga. I'm broke, what the hell?
Critical vehicle functions.
What the fuck am I hearing?
Hold on, what this is?
That shit sounds sexy, bro.
Hey fam, let me hear a little rev. Let me hear a rev. I hear straight intake. What the fuck is in this? What the hell is in this? I ain't gonna lie, you put an intake on this bitch, nigga, you go there.
Good, that one ain't gonna be stupid, bro. Fuck. Gotta turn that around.
You gotta go through that one right there.
Hey, hold on. These are they watch it, man.
Okay then. I ain't gonna lie, you put the motherfucking the supercharger car, this shit gonna be crazy as hell.
Niggas don't know about there, man. Come on, hurry.
Yo, this nigga wildin'. Yo, this nigga wildin', man.
They don't know about this bitch, man.
This nigga wildin', man.
They don't know about this bitch, Well, I gotta give him a scoop when I come up, man. I'm gonna let it be a scene when I pull up, bro. Hope my spot ain't going.
I don't know if the camera picking it up, but if you put a colder intake on this bitch,
Oh yeah, it's
point this bitch, this motherfucker gonna sound so crazy, bro.
Yeah, wait.
Nah, keep going, you scared. Should be this screen right here.
This bitch don't get old, bro.
This nigga finna have too much fun with this shit, I ain't gonna lie.
I already been flagged, ain't gonna lie.
Trick, I told her don't get too excited. Nigga touch my hand on top of my head, them boys inside her eyes. Fuck from the back and grip her nuggets, bitch gon' keep quiet. The big bad head, she says you from me, looking like a quiet. I only in my name, bitch, pussy on a straight dime. My shooters looking like a sinner. Homies, let's go.
Okay. That's before you showed me how to do it.
You're gonna see them on my story. Hold on, let me show the vlog. Oh, this nigga, bro. God damn, what you learning from me? Dude, that must be tough.
No, look, let me hit that.
You, oh my god.
Yeah.
Like, but listen,
Did you
she said,
did you take it out and
tell you.
Did you pack it right though? Did you take it out and mix it and then put it back in?
It's just.
You didn't? It don't look like it.
You can open that bitch.
I have a camera woman. It's my ball. Hold on. Before we continue your employment, what is your age?
You're not stressing. Keep going.
I didn't hear
Not
what
my
she
ball.
said.
Not my ball.
I didn't hear what she said.
Nothing. Not my ball. Damn, we really blocked in for real too.
I'm telling you, how the fuck? Well, I can get out.
Well, I could get out if you could get out.
Nah, you close to your
Now you're right in front of each other.
Yeah, if you could get out, I could get out. I promise. I ain't, I ran into a bush before. Ain't nothing. How long have I had this on here?
So that shit was easy as fuck to call. Look at that.
I don't even know how long I've had it.
Nigga, the company's on the back of that bitch.
Damn.
Oh, shit.